reclaim your own mind and have it work for you. And today you're going to be learning all of the tools, skills, and practical techniques that you can use to help your mind be a real asset for you. Very often you probably think that your mind is working against you. It feels undisciplined, out of control, just doing whatever it wants to do. And you're going to learn today so many tools and skills and practical things that you can do to help your mind work for you and help it get unhooked on the stuff that it typically gets really oriented towards. Of course, like everything, all of these tools and techniques are practice. We need to keep practicing them until they become normal parts of our ways of being. Before we do anything else, let's get centered. And I'm going to use tapping today to help you get centered. And you can see how easy it is to use tapping in a way like this. Later on, when we do the energy healing alignment, aligning the energetic level, you're going to learn a whole lot more about energy healing and many other techniques. But for now, let's use this one to get ourselves centered for today. So why don't you go ahead and just take a couple of nice deep breaths, and we'll do that together. And I'd like you to practice doing that diaphragmatic or belly breathing that you learned last week or 2 weeks ago. And so remember, hand on the chest just to help yourself stay focused on not breathing into your chest. And just take a couple of nice deep breaths in through your nose, into the belly, and then let the belly sink back towards the spine. And again, in through the belly. And out again through the mouth. Let the belly sink back towards the spine. And as you're breathing like that, in through the nose, out through the mouth, letting the diaphragm rise and fall, it's like, oh, there I am. There I am. And good for you for giving yourself the time that you're giving to your well-being today. Because that is one thing that you probably have not been giving enough time and attention to, is to you, taking deep breaths, learning how to be centered, learning how to feel calm and relaxed in the world. Again, another nice deep breath in, a deep breath out. Now, you'll go ahead and follow me with the tapping. Remember, you don't need to remember anything. Just monkey see, monkey do. Just do what I do right now, okay? And you could just breathe at the same time. Just go ahead and tap up here. Many things have happened before this moment. Many things have happened before this moment. Many things have happened. Life is busy. Sometimes there are challenges. There can be many things on my plate. I'm often busy. I'm often productive. There's a lot of things I take care of. My life is filled with many things. And sometimes it's not filled with all of the right things for me, and that's okay for right now. But I can be calm and relaxed in this moment. Not everything is perfect. I know that, and I'm okay with that. But I can be calm and relaxed in this moment. I can be present in this moment. I can choose to have my mind be right here, right now, in this moment. Even as I'm doing this tapping, I realize that I am right here in this moment. I'm here, and I am here now. Today is going to be a wonderful day for me. Today, the next few moments could be really nice for me. They could be relaxed, calm, centered. I can feel focused. I can learn today. I'm really going to learn a lot in this session. My mind is wide open. I'm going to learn a lot in this session. My heart is wide open. I'm going to learn a lot today. It will be very useful for me. And I can be calm, cool, and connected, relaxed and present, even when life is imperfect. I can come back into my center and connect with who I really am. the true essence of who I really am, even when life doesn't cooperate. Life is imperfect. Life is perfectly imperfect. And yet I can be calm, cool, centered, and wise right in the middle of that imperfection. That is where I have power. And right now, I am calm, cool, connected, and wise. Take a nice deep breath in, and a great long exhale. Take another one. Deep breath in, and a great long exhale. Okay, let's get busy and let's get started today. You might notice that you feel a little bit more relaxed than when you began. And sometimes it's that simple. It's just about tapping in our affirmations and helping ourselves, moving some of the stress. And it's just that easy. So and I know it didn't solve your problems. I know there's challenges on your plate, but it's about being calm, cool, and connected right in the middle of it all.